Celery. Now we want our celery to be vivid green, and similar to the carrot, the stalks should be solid. If they turn flimsy, you can soak them in ice water for 1 hour so that their cells can absorb the water. We also want to make sure that the leaves are not wilted or bruised. First, I'll start by slicing off the bottom portion. You can clean this and throw into a vegetable stock. Now we want to clean all of our vegetables, but for celery, we want to clean each stalk thoroughly, as there can be a lot of trapped dirt underneath. So I'll go ahead and do just that. So first thing we want to do is pick the leaves. These are great to be used in a salad, stock, or simply used as a herb like you would with parsley. Now I like to cut celery on a bias to include in salads, or you can sauté them and then toss in a vinaigrette or soy sauce and sesame seeds. We can also perform a chiffonade by bundling the leaves and thinly slicing. And there's our chiffonade. And if we want to chop it even further, then we can. Next, we're going to finely dice our celery, so begin by slicing lengthwise into a julienne. We'll then go ahead and cut into a fine dice. And this is great for using in a ragu or a bolognese. We can also thinly slice, which can be quick pickled or included in a minestrone. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to brunoise celery. First, we want to slice the celery horizontally. Next, I'll take these two tranches and cut into a julienne. Finally, I'll then begin to brunoise. And there's our finely diced brunoise. And that is how you break down celery.